You ever ponder the thought, cost of ownership? So I'm taking a drive back from a job that we spoke about, a renovation. Checked out a radiant heated job. My name is Moe, turnupthecomfort.com. That is turnupthecomfort.com. And Moe's P&H. So I'm in a mechanical field for the past 12 years. And pretty much there's only one thing that I care to do is create such a turmoil and disturbance of all the nonsense that is out there on the market. We don't do anything that the other companies do. We try to pave our own path, take the best of the information that we learn elsewhere and apply it for you. You know, cost of ownership, whether you're building, renovating, you're repairing, you're maintaining, you're servicing, cost of ownership is something that we always look at. If you're going to live in a house for 20, 30 years and you have to change less faucets, less toilet flappers, less air conditioners, and less boilers, that is a goal, and that is a feat that we would like to overcome. So, like I said, we're driving back over here, and we looked at cost of ownership for the guy, what we can do. Should we go do something hydronic? Should we do something with an air source heat pump like a mini split? Specifically Mitsubishi Hyperheats. They can heat down to -5 degrees. It's got a tiny house in Ulster County that has no problem heating down to -10 degrees. Did a heat loss on his home. This way we knew exactly how much heat. We knew the design exactly. We knew exactly how much heat he's going to need depending on where his location is, and we dialed it in exactly, and he is ecstatic. He's going on 2 winters, and it comes down to cost of ownership. I mean, you got to know what you're going to put in what application. Are you going to live in a house for 5 years? Are you going to live in a house for 10 years? Or is this your forever home? Is this your investment property, or is this your summer home? Once you've got all the facts, and you also know how much money you want to spend, how you will use the product, you can go ahead and calculate your cost of ownership. Sometimes getting a product or appliance that uses more fuel, whether that's electric or gas, could make more sense trying to get the more fuel efficient product that is more cost up front, or that product may have more potential to break down. As an example, you cannot compare an electric water heater to an on-demand water heater that's gas. The electric water heater that's electric is basically just a can of soda that has 2 elements and 2 thermostats. So what that means is there's 2 heating elements and there's 2 thermostats. Take an on-demand water heater that's gas. You've got fans, chimney, igniters, gas valves, sensors, scale, any dirt can clog it up. I mean, the cost of ownership doesn't even compare. One unit is $1,200 to $1,500 out the box before install, and the electric is more like $350 at your local big box store. You can get equal quantities of power when you size and you choose product selection right. So let's not let performance come in the way of our discussion over here. But overall, cost of ownership is something that we look at for the customer in the long run, and it's something that you should consider. We help a lot of people design, maintain, service, install, consult. That's what we do. So we have a mechanical company, and on the side of the mechanical company, we have a design and consulting. And we are a company that you'd like to work with, because we don't just design and walk away. We design and we get actual feedback, and then we modify the design for the next guy. So every single guy or gal that does work with us in their home, they're getting a unique product. They're getting unique product based off of their circumstances, based off of the years of feedback before. And also, I don't want you guys to think, okay, guy's young, 12 years in the business, he's just a little whippersnapper. It's currently 11:04 p.m. and we've got a full day. We don't mind working 7 days a week, double shifts. The amount of hours that we've put in and the studying that we put into this business, and that we will continue to put in, will be there to flush out and make a turmoil in this make a disturbance in this industry of hack work, where people are just going out there just doing, for lack of a better term, crap work. So that's what we do. We're here to do the best work, put our best foot forward. We work with everybody. We work with engineers, we work with architects, we work with homeowners, builders, nursing home owners, vitamin factory owners, gyms, municipal ambulance corps. Like, we pretty much work for everybody. We've worked in fire stations, server rooms, dispatch rooms, I mean, like, critical environments, healthcare facilities, hospitals, school buildings. I took a school building in Edison, New Jersey, and I cut their fuel bills over $30,000 a year off a basic upgrade. The upgrade was paid for in the first couple of years. So if you want to think about ROI, which I generally don't talk about in an industrial setting, the ROI was astronomical. They could take that boiler, throw it out today, and they've been paid back. So that's what it is, guys. If you need anything, my name is Mo. TurnUpTheComfort.com. Give my office a call, 347-460-HEAT. That's 347-460-HEAT. Ask for Mo. Give me a call. Looking to help you out. Looking to hear some feedback from you. Anything you got. Wood boilers, propane, oil, heat pumps, geo. If it's mechanical, plumbing, heating, or cooling, we can help you out. We design our own controls in-house. We do everything from TechMark to Takeo iWorks, Yaskawa, Cogens, which is basically combined heat and power. That's generators that generate electric for a building, and the heat off the radiator gets to put back into the water system. We do anything up to a couple million BTUs, dual fuel systems. But I don't want to have to discourage all you guys that are thinking about, hey, will Mo come change my flapper? Me and my company will come there, and we will do basic mundane service work in your house, and we will build a connection with you, your family, your cousin, your uncle, your mother-in-law, your sister-in-laws, your brother-in-laws. I mean, it's not uncommon. We got a call last night from the state of Florida that an HVAC guy's sister or sister-in-law, I think it was a sister, had a leak on her coil, and he wanted our expertise to go there and make the repair. We're going to go there tomorrow and make the repair, but it's interesting. Somebody's calling us from 1,200 miles away to go make a repair. And that should speak works and wonders. And catch yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't let yourself get out of hand. Don't hire anybody to do cheap work. Make sure that if you do hire somebody, that it's checked before and after. Don't close up that sheetrock. My name is Mo, TurnUpTheComfort.com. And until I get super permission from somebody to use this line, I basically took somebody's line and modified it. I'm going to say this, it's not my own line, it's just a modified line of somebody else's. Do uncomfortable elsewhere. Mo from TurnUpTheComfort.com, looking at speaking to you. Reach out.